In this topic we will discuss the following.
Identify the basic tableware. The different types of tableware plays an important part of food and beverage services. The food and beverage personnel department utilizes a variety of tools that help the set-up presentable and elegant to build good mood of the guest. The tableware. The tableware are the service tools that are used in food and beverage service. It may include beverage ware or glassware, silverware or flatware and cutlery. The beverage ware or glassware includes all dining implements used to serve all types of beverages. Stem glass are the water goblets, red and white wine glasses and other cocktail glasses. Tumblers are used for soda, highball glass, pilsner and other flat-based glasses. The footed glasses are glasses with small stem-based. Examples of these are brandy snifter, sherbet glass and Irish coffee glasses. The three major types of beverage ware or glassware. First is the tumbler. The tumbler is a flat-bottomed, cylindrical glass that is basically a bowl without a stem or foot. Its side may be straight, flared or curved. Tumblers are usually used for shorter drinks served on the rocks and generally for drinks that are stirred rather than shaken. Second is the footed ware. The footed ware refers to a style of glass whose bowl sits directly on a base or foot. The bowl and base may have a variety of shapes. Third is the stemware. The stemware includes any glass having all three features. They come in variety of shapes and sizes. Though certain shapes and sizes of stemware are typical drinks such as wine, margarita and champagne. One example of tumbler is a pilsner or also called a beer glass because it is usually used to serve beer. The highball glass. The highball glass is a glass tumbler used to serve tall cocktails and other mixed drinks that contain a large proportion of a non-alcoholic mixer and are poured over ice. It is often used interchangeably with the Collins glass, although the highball glass is shorter and wider in shape. Number 3 is the old-fashioned glass. The rock glass or lowball that is a short tumbler used for serving liquor on the rocks, which means over ice, or cocktails having few ingredients. Number 4 is the rock glass. The rock glass is a short tumbler used for serving spirits, such as whiskey, neat or with ice cubes or on the rocks. Number 5 is the shot glass. The shot glass is a 2 ounces for straight spirits like vodka, tequila, whiskey and bourbon. The examples of footed ware are. Number 1 is the Catalina sling glass. The Catalina sling glass is a tall and elegant design footed base used for serving frozen drinks with long straw. Number 2 is the Hurricane. It is best used for long drinks like island iced tea and hurricane. Number 3 is the footed Pilsner. It is ideal for serving multiple types of light beers, such as bright and fragrant Danish beers. And number 4 is the footed Highball. Number 5 is the Poco Grande, a type of glass used for serving specialty mixed drinks. Number 6 is the goblets, sometimes called chalices, are another multi-purpose glass that you may see in fine dining establishments. They are generally thicker glasses to provide insulation for the warm or cool, thick beverages that are served in them. A goblet can be used for water and tea. Number 7 is the brandy snifter used to serve brandy and other similar cocktails. The example of stemware are. Number 1. The champagne flute. The champagne flute are characterized by a long stem with a tall, narrow bowl on top and it is used for sparkling wines. Number 2 is the port glass. The port glass is a special glass for holding port wine, with the traditional version in the form of a small glass of only 6 inches in height, capable of holding 190 ml of port wine, with the glass especially used for drinking red wine. Number 3 is the sherry glass. The sherry glass is a beverage ware generally used for serving aromatic alcoholic beverages, such as sherry, port, aperitifs and liqueurs and layered shooters. Number 4 is a stemmed glass with an inverted cone bowl, used to serve variety of cocktails. Number 5 is the champagne saucer. It is a glass with a wide, shallow bowl, which is designed for serving champagne and sparkling wines. Number 6 is the margarita. The margarita is best used for serving frozen cocktails. Number 7 is the red wine glass. Glasses for red wine are characterized by their rounder, wider bowl which gives the wine a chance to breathe. Number 8 is the white wine glass. White wine glasses are generally narrower, although not as narrow as champagne flutes, with somewhat straighter tulip. The silverware. Silverware can either be flatware, cutlery, or hollowware. Flatware is composed of all forms of spoons and fork, while cutleries are all other utensils used for cutting such as the knives. Hollowware is a set of receptacles such as teapots, milk jugs, and sugar basins. The flatware. No dining area is complete without the variety of spoons, forks, and knives. That is why servers must be familiar with all the types of flatware and their uses. The silverware. The dinner spoon. The dinner spoon or tablespoon has elongated round cup. It is used to eat main course food items. It can pick up just the right amount of rice, stew, or curry. It is always paired with a fork or the one with 4 tines of the same length or a dessert knife. The dessert spoon, dessert knife and dessert fork. These are smaller than their main course peers and are used to have desserts. The soup spoon. The soup spoon. It has a round cup bigger than that of the tablespoon. It is as long as a dinner spoon. The salad spoon. The salad spoon. It is always used in pair with salad fork. It helps mixing and serving salad efficiently. The tea or coffee spoons. The tea, coffee spoons. These are smaller than the sugar spoon. The sugar spoon has a flower-shaped round cup. It is used to take sugar from sugar bowl of tea set. The ice cream spoon. The ice cream spoon is a small spoon with flat rim that can help to cut the right amount of ice cream. It can come in small, medium, and large sizes according to the quantity of the ice cream. The butter knife. The butter knife has short rectangular blade that is sharp on the lower side to form an edge. It is useful in cutting semi-firm pieces of butter and apply them on food items such as breads. The serving spoon. The serving spoon is a spoon with large round cup designed to serve stews and rice. The deli fork. The roast fork. The roast fork is the largest fork. It has longer and stronger tines that help to hold and pick large meat or vegetable pieces. The cake knife. The cake knife is a flat, elongated triangle-shaped knife and is used to cut pieces of cake and handle it smoothly.
A time to remember. This is Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.